Two worlds. One red, one grey. Globe showing Europe-Africa sparkles. But what if we could see the Martian deserts and the moon's craters side by side, captured on the very same day? Today, thanks to NASA's powerful orbiters, we can. On the left, we're looking at Mars, captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Its sharp-eyed camera reveals the dusty plains, winding ridges, and scarred valleys of the red planet. These images are so detailed, scientists can track seasonal changes and even shifting dunes. On the right, we see the Moon, imaged by the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. The surface here is marked by jagged craters, volcanic plains, and ancient scars that tell the story of billions of years of cosmic history. Unlike Mars, the Moon is silent, airless, and unchanging, a frozen witness to time. Together, these views remind us of how far human exploration has come, and how much more is waiting out there. The universe is vast, let's explore it together.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.